Are you looking for the best mini bicycle bikes? In this video we will look at some of the 8 best mini bicycle bikes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Rocker BMX Mini BMX Bike, IOC Plus Stealth RKR. The Rocker BMX Mini BMX Bike IOC Plus Stealth RKR is a scaled-down mini version of a 20 BMX designed to withstand adult-sized abuse. It features a lighter high-tensile steel frame and forks, front-load stem with forged faceplate, plastic BMX pedals, and matching hit main grips. The bike is sold for off-road use only and designed for off-road racing on enclosed tracks on private property. Number 2. Sail Novo Electric Bike. The Sail Novo Electric Bike is a powerful and stylish electric bike designed for adults and teens. It features a 350 watts motor, 36 volts rechargeable lithium-ion 10.4-hour battery, dual disc brakes, non-slip bump handlebars, LCD battery, speed indicator, foldable handle ahead, adjustable saddle, 14 inches anti-shock tires, front lamp and tail lights. It is great for commuting on flat city roads and can be customized with a basket or kettle holder. Number 3. ING T14 Electric Bike. The ING T14 Electric Bike is a small but powerful electric bicycle designed for adults and teens. With its 48 volts 10-hour removable lithium battery and 350 watts motor, this bike can reach a top speed of 20 miles per hour and has a range of up to 22 miles in electric mode. It features 14-inch vacuum-run flat tires that are puncture-proof and perfect for city commutes or relaxed rides. The bike is foldable and convenient, making it ideal for storage and transportation. It also has multiple shock absorption systems, providing a comfortable riding experience on all terrain. With 3 riding modes to choose from, users can enjoy a personalized cycling experience. Overall, the ING T14 electric bike offers power, convenience, and comfort for an enjoyable ride. Number 4. G-Force Bike Sahamo A2 Electric Mini Bike. The G-Force Bike Sahamo A2 Electric Mini Bike is a lightweight and foldable electric bicycle designed for women, teens, and men. With its easy folding mechanism, you can easily store it in your trunk or take it in and out of the elevator. The powerful brushless motor provides strong power output, allowing you to ride in different conditions and experience a thrilling ride. The high-capacity lithium-ion battery offers long-lasting and powerful energy output, giving you an electric range of up to 30 miles. The bike also features a shock absorber system and disc brakes for a comfortable and safe ride. With local warehouse shipping and excellent after-sales service, this electric mini bike is a reliable choice for city commuting or outdoor leisure activities. Number 5. YBS 80cc Bicycle Engine Motor. The YBS engine motor is a powerful 80cc 2-stroke engine designed for bicycles, pocket cars, and mini off-road vehicles. With a displacement of 80 cc and a speed of 5,500 rpm per minute, this engine provides excellent performance for various applications. It features electronic ignition for easy starting and a Z4C spark plug model for efficient combustion. The engine requires a fuel and oil mixture, which ensures proper lubrication of the cylinder and transmission parts. The YBS engine motor comes with a 100% refund guarantee and fast delivery from their US warehouse. Upgrade your ride with this reliable and high-performance engine motor. Number 6. Caban Folding Bike. The Caban Mini Bike is a compact and lightweight folding bike perfect for commuting and city rides. It features a Dora AT800 carbon fiber frame and wheel set, making it ultralight at only 19.7 pounds while maintaining a solid and durable structure. The fully internal cable routing ensures clean airflow over the entire bike. With its fast magnetic folding design, you can easily fold the bike in 3 simple steps, making it convenient to take on a bus or train or store in your apartment. The double magnetic design keeps the bike compact when folded and allows for easy carrying or rolling. Equipped with a Shimano Sora 9-speed derailleur and powerful Shimano MT200 hydraulic disc brakes, The Caban mini bike offers smooth shifting and reliable stopping power. Additionally, the bike is easy to adjust and assemble, with the ability to adjust the seat height to fit most adults. Get ready to enjoy a comfortable and efficient ride with the Caban mini bike. Number 7. BEAX X7 Folding Electric Bike. The BEAX X7 electric bike is a powerful and convenient folding electric bike that enhances your riding experience. With its 400 watts motor, you can reach a maximum speed of 21 miles per hour, making it perfect for daily commuting and weekend trips. The bike comes with a removable 48 volts 20-hour battery, providing a range of 45-55 miles in electric mode and 60-70 miles in assist mode. This bike is not only powerful but also easy to control with its twist throttle, brake, horn, and LCD display. The LCD display shows riding speed, mileage data, pedal assist level, and battery power. Additionally, it features a phone mount with a USB charging port for your convenience. The X7 electric bike is equipped with a suspension front fork and shock suspension seat tube, ensuring a smoother riding experience. Safety is also a priority with mechanical disc brakes, a super bright LED headlight, brake rear light, and warning smoke reflectors. Experience a comfortable and safe riding journey with the BEAX X7 electric bike. Number 8. D3F Folding Electric Bicycle. D3F electric bike is a foldable and portable electric assisted bicycle, perfect for daily commuting in the city or weekend cycling in the suburbs. Its lightweight aluminum alloy frame and folding design make it convenient to take on public transportation or store in the car. With 90% pre-assembly, you can quickly enjoy the new ride without complicated setup. It offers 3 riding modes: pure electric mode, electric assist mode, and normal bike mode, providing flexibility for different needs. The powerful 250 watts motor and durable 36 volts 10-hour lithium battery ensure a longer travel experience. The 14 inches anti-skidding tire and front and rear disc brakes provide safety and adaptability to various terrains. The fixed-speed cruise control feature allows you to maintain a constant speed without constantly checking the throttle. With excellent customer service and a 1-year warranty, the D3F electric bike is a reliable and convenient choice for your daily commute or weekend adventures.